What's the meaning of animal rights? Animal rights. Animal rights. Animal rights. Animal rights. Animal rights.
Animal rights refer to the belief that animals should be treated with the same respect and consideration given to humans, and that they deserve to live without exploitation, abuse, or unnecessary harm inflicted upon them by humans. This includes the right to proper care, protection, and shelter, as well as the right to live free from human interference in their natural habitats. It also involves recognition of the cognitive and emotional abilities of animals and acknowledging their intrinsic value and importance to the ecosystem. Ultimately, animal rights advocates seek to end animal cruelty and promote a more compassionate and ethical treatment of all animals.